नमस्ते, मैं हूं राहुल कुमार और आप देख रहे हैं असाइनो हीलिंग सेंटर का वीडियो चैनल। आज हमारे साथ हैं जी, हमारे असाइनो हीलिंग सेंटर में काफ़ी समय से आ रहे हैं, तो आज हम जानेंगे इनसे इनका एक्सपीरियंस। जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डूइंग दिस। फर्स्ट, सबसे पहले हम जानना चाहेंगे कि असाइनो में आपका आने का कारण क्या था? Why were you here in Asaino the first time?
Right. So the primary purpose or the objective for coming to Asaino was relationship. And was having a tough time in my relationship with my partner, and काफी कुछ चीजें try की थी, and like this was kind of the last straw that would work out. And to be honest, मुझे इतना expectation नहीं था. I'll be very fair on that. I was like, ठीक है, I mean, tried everything. Let's try this also. And that's how I landed at Rahul's center to see. I mean, just to give it a try कि क्या होता है, right? And yeah, as Rahul said, काफी महीने हो चुके हैं अभी, and consistently I show up for the sessions and all, cause काफी, I mean, like बहुत improvement हुआ है, and from a non-believer, right, kind of just as a fluke लिया था, and now I'm a complete believer in the process as such overall. And very curious to learn also the same, process, right? The Reiki part as such. So yeah, relationship was one, but जैसे sessions बढ़ते गए, Rahul and I started connecting and we started having more discussions कि what are the other areas of improvement as such. So मेरे लिए it was just one problem that I came. He opened up this entire world where like ये भी possible है, like there were endless possibilities of what Reiki can do in terms of healing. I have lots of conditions, skin conditions, immune conditions also. So Reiki has been helpful in that to very much of an extent. Right? I mean, these are all side benefits that I got. This is not something I came here expecting, but over the course of discussion with Rahul, understanding what Reiki does, how it can help, I've seen improvements in lots of areas apart from the core relationship part of it. So I would say net gains हुए हैं, right, from your sessions and all, and looking forward to continuing these sessions, like maintenance doses basically.
Thank you so much. आपने सारे मेरे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर पहले कर दिए, सो ये ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगा कि ठीक है, इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ, सब कुछ हुआ, आपका हमारे लिए क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट आज हम इम्प्रूव कर सकें? वेयर डू यू सी, हाउ डू यू सी, कहाँ पर वो चीज़ें हैं जो चीज़ से हम अपने आप को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं? ऐसा एक या दो चीज़ आपके मन में अगर है विच यू कैन शेयर टू इम्प्रूव अस?
Okay, that's a difficult question. So everything has been going good so far, right? Your staff and everything has been absolutely amazing. Be it scheduling, be it response time, some calls, yeah, जो भी है, right? Scheduling, rescheduling, everything has been smooth. I mean, I never expected कि, I mean, there have been times जब आपने मुझे appointment दिया है and due to some work या फिर other constraints मैं आ नहीं पाया, and the first question is कि क्या ये reschedule हो पाएगा, but you have been kind enough to reschedule it to my arrangements, even sitting late आपके work time के beyond आप बैठ के sessions लिए हो, right, emergency cases में, so that is really appreciated, Rahul. And now as I see patients बढ़ रहे हैं, clients बढ़ रहे हैं, and I would suggest maybe the process could be streamlined a bit more, because what worked earlier,
yes,
I think with the increase in clients and all can be a bit difficult to handle. So maybe you can add more staff, bring in more systems, or kind of technology to help you
increase the space.
Oh yeah, increase the space. That's important. Yes, that's important. So that you can have multiple patients being attended to at the same time.
Yes.
Right? Yeah.
Then I also need multiple healers as well. Right?
Oh yes. Yeah, maybe that's, I mean, increase your support staff also,
yes,
right? Because you can't be there everywhere.
Yes.
You
Thank
need
you
to
so
have.
Much. That is an invaluable advice जो आपने दिया है. I'm very deeply appreciative of that.
Thank you.
And it's been a pleasure. You have always been a pleasure. And just to let everyone know कि जितना इनको मुझसे फ़ायदा हुआ है, मुझे भी इनसे डिस्कशंस में नॉलेज शेयरिंग से लेकर के each and every aspect, I have also gained a lot of perspective from. In fact, I would say in terms of feeling energies, he is extremely potent, extremely capable in terms of identifying energies. This is something which is very unique with him, and इनका जॉब बहुत अच्छा है अभी एंड एवरीथिंग है, नहीं तो मैं इनको खुद बोलता कि आप भी हीलिंग में घुस जाओ, इट विल ऑल्सो बी ग्रेट फॉर यू. दैट सेड, ही हैज़ अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब. सो
there's still time for that, Rahul. We can definitely get into this stream. Never say no.
Absolutely.
Right.
It's been a pleasure, and thank you so much for doing this with us.
Pleasure is mine.
We wish you all the best for your future. We are always in contact anyways.
Yes.
But yes, you'll have a great time, great life ahead of you.